Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are going to start the second term, and the first chapter for this term is money. You all know the importance of money. You must have seen the money, and we all know what is money. Money is an economical unit used for purchasing, exchanging, and buy things. Whenever you have to purchase or buy a thing, you need money. Money plays an important role in our survival. People work hard to earn money. Money comes in the form of notes and coin. Each country has its own currency. Indian currency is Indian rupiah, which comes in the form of rupees and paise. You must have seen different types of rupees, coins, and notes. These are some figures like 50 paise, 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee coins, and notes also you can see 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupees note. Now some of these notes are not common, but these are all Indian rupees. You must have seen it. Now what that in this now we will discuss the symbol of Indian rupees. The symbol of Indian rupees is written as like this, which you can see on the screen, and paise is written as P. Apart from this, we have coins also. If we have to express money in figures, how we will write it? We use a dot to separate rupees and paises. On the left side of the dot we write rupees, and on the right side we write paise. For example, 17 rupees and 30 paise. So we will write the symbol of rupees, then we will write 17, put a dot, and then after the dot we will write 30 paise, 30. It will be 17.30. Suppose we have to write 10 rupees and 5 paise. So first we will write the symbol of rupees that is written on the screen, then we will write 10, then we will put a dot, and for 5 paise we will not write 5, but we will write 05. For 9 paise we will write 09. Then see 80 rupees and 50 paise. So we will write rupees 80.50. This is how we express money in figures. Now how to express money in words? Suppose it is written 20.38. So before the point it is rupees. So 20 rupees, and after the dot it is paise. So 38 is paise. So in words we will write it as 20 rupees and 38 paise. Suppose rupees 9.15. Before the dot it is 9, so 9 is rupees, and after the dot it is 15, so 15 is paise. So to write in words we will write 9 rupees and 15 paise. Okay. This is how we write rupees into money into rupees and paise.